Alright, so today the market is showing some resilience, while many stocks are struggling to stay above important support points. Well, except for Tesla and Apple, of course, which are looking pitiful today. Even so, we should be cautious, because what we are seeing today, although it doesn't in any way signal a possible top or correction ahead, it is not an incredible bullish signal either. So let's see what's happening here, but first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader and founder of the 5% project. If you want to professionalize your trading and boost your performance, then join our community and get access to our signals and strategies. The QR code's right here, link in the fixed comment below. You have 7 days for free, because we are confident that if you have discipline, you will become a consistently profitable trader. Now, as we can see here, SPY is making a decent bullish reaction, alright? I'm not gonna lie, it is a decent one. Today's candlestick is quite robust, but and what's more, we are making such reaction above this support line at $533, the previous top level, which is acting as a support level 1, 2, 3 times right now, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis, which says that previous top levels are gonna work as future support levels and vice versa. Another classic example of the principle of polarity. Now, today's reaction is very good. It is not incredible, because an incredible reaction would be if SPY breaks the all-time high again. Breaking last Friday's high and making a new record, that would be an incredible reaction. Right now, we are still dangerously close to this support level, making a bullish reaction, yes we are, but we are still dangerously close to this key point. And only if SPY loses $533, we are gonna trigger a sharper correction, possibly to the 21 MA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, or even to this purple line over here, the support line of this ascending channel. That's a plausible possibility over here, and the QQQ follows the same logic. By losing $460, I see another pullback to the 21 MA on the daily chart again, and in this scenario, tech stocks will be highly affected. We're gonna see sharper corrections on the Magnificent 7 as well. So far, Microsoft is still incredibly bullish, but if we see any top signal materialized over here, we could easily trigger a pullback. And Apple and Tesla, these two are looking horrible today. Look at this. Apple is making a very ugly bearish reaction, a classic top signal right under a resistance level, $196, the previous top level over here, which is very close to the all-time high area. So we are making a very intense bearish reaction right under a very important resistance area over here, suggesting a sharper correction, suggesting that we could correct to lower levels, maybe to the 186, maybe even losing the 21 MA on the daily chart, depending on how intense this pullback is gonna be. Now, Nvidia is an incredibly insane stock. It is going up nicely. We don't see any possibility of a top signal over here. We see a few key points, of course, but as long as we don't see a crystal clear bearish reversal structure consisting of lower highs, lower lows, this bull trend will just persist. Guys, Dow theory tenet number 6, trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. Do we see a clear reversal occurring on Nvidia right now? No. So as far as I know, we could easily correct, maybe even to the 21 MA on the daily chart, and that would be nothing but another buying opportunity, because pullbacks in bull trends are just buying opportunities, and in bear trends, short-term rallies are just opportunities to sell. This is how I see the situation. It is very easy. So far, we are quite far from its support levels, right? Nvidia is quite far from the 21 MA. It is quite far from the previous top level over here at $115. Of course, this price is adjusted after our split over here, but we are still above support levels. We are still making bullish reactions. There is no top signal over here. In theory, the trend is supposed to just persist until we see a clear reversal occurring. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, it is trendless, all right? We are dancing. See how we are dancing around the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart over here. What's more, the 21 EMA is totally flat right now. So we are just trendless inside a congestion over here, trading between important support and resistance levels, all right? So we don't see anything new over here going on Tesla, but today's reaction is quite catastrophic because we are losing again the 21 EMA. We are approaching the previous support level at 167, and if we lose the 167, guys, if we lose the 167, we are gonna trigger another bearish pivot point, officially reversing any possibility, officially frustrating any possibility of a bullish reversal over here, and probably we're gonna continue the previous bearish bias seen on the weekly chart, because on the weekly chart we are still below the 21 EMA. We have yet to see higher highs, higher lows, and this is why it is so important for us to see Tesla breaking the $186.88. Well, let's say 187, a round number, right? It is very important for us to break the 187 because by breaking this key point, Tesla is gonna make a higher high, higher low. It is gonna break a previous resistance level. What's more, on the weekly chart, following our multiple time frame analysis over here, on the weekly chart, we're gonna automatically break the 21 EMA as well. By closing above the 21 EMA on the weekly chart, we're gonna do something new, something that Tesla failed to do since the last time it did on November last year. So it has been months that Tesla did a nice upwards breakout of the 21 EMA. The last time we saw that, Tesla indeed triggered a nice rally over here of let's say 13% roughly. It was a nice rally. In the end, the bear trend did speak louder. We still resumed the bearish momentum, but as long as we stay above this 21 EMA on the weekly chart, Tesla will have absolutely no chance of reversing its bearish bias. So this is why it is so important for it to break the 187. Conversely, if we lose the 167, it is over. We're gonna resume the bearish bias on the weekly chart, possibly, and we're gonna trigger this bearish pivot point on the daily chart as well. Therefore, we gotta keep our eyes open to these key points, and of course, I'll be here talking about Tesla, Nvidia, Spike, QQQ, the other Magnificent 7 stocks. So subscribe to this channel. If you are still watching this video and you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing and click the like button to support me as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.